So we're gonna start off by registering. We're gonna take in your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. And for example, if your email isn't correctly formatted, so pretend that you wrote hello for your email. When you press submit, it's gonna tell you the email is badly formatted. And then also I made it where your password has to be at least 6 characters long. So if it's not at least 6 characters long, it'll tell you that it's too short. And then you have to put in a password that's at least over 6 characters. And once you sign up, it immediately logs you into the home page. As for the login page, it's very much similar to the sign up page, except the login page, it checks and sees if you're actually signed up or not, and if you're not signed up, it will prompt you to then sign up. And for the login, it just takes your email and your password, and once you put that in, you're immediately logged in. This is for the navigation bar, so on the very top, you'll be able to see a button that says travel, a home button, and a book now. And on the very right top corner, you're gonna see a logout option. And these are what the buttons look like: the travel, home, the book now, and then on the
So this is the booking part of our code. There are 3 steps to the booking. There's picking a destination, which is the first step. Then there's picking the dates that you want to travel to that location for. And then the last part is filling out the passenger information. So this is a code snippet for picking a destination. And what we did was create a container to hold all the destination information. We added a title, destinations, of course. We had a link here. So what it does is on the on click, it adds, we have this function which is in our JavaScript file, and then it will add that information to the database. We have the picture of the destination, and then the destination picture will have a caption to it, which will just be the name of the destination, of course, and the departure, which is Atlanta. All of our departure places to all the destination is the same. We depart from Atlanta, but all the destinations are different. Then the second part, which is booking the date, we have it's pretty much the same thing. We have all our dates, so we offer so this is a code snippet, and I chose the one that has the date for June. So the start date of that vacation, I guess, would start on this date, and then you would have all the space in between, and then we have the end date. It's very pretty easy and straightforward. And then the third part is the filling out of our passenger information. Now we offer up to 2 passengers aboard our travel booking. So the second passenger information is optional, but you have to fill out at least 1 passenger information, preferably the passenger number 1. And this is just a code snippet of that. We have the first name that we ask, for the last name, date of birth, and such information. We also have, just to give people a hint of what we're looking for, we have all this placeholder information, which is like, as an example, for first name we have John, as an example of last name we have Smith, and then as an example of date of birth we have this. So when you click in the actual text box, obviously John will be gone, and you can start typing your name. So once you click the text box and once you start typing, the placeholder information will be gone. Here's a code for the rest of the passenger information that we ask for. So for both the passengers, if there are 2 passengers, we will ask for their first name, their last name, their date of birth, their city, state, zip code, email address, phone number, and of course all of these are validated. So for example, if your email address doesn't have if it's not written in the email address format, if it doesn't contain an @gmail.com or whatever kind of email address that they have, it will not let you proceed.
Alright, so here's the code for the payment. So as you can see, I have 4 functions. So the first 3 are set on creating the type of card it will be. So the function of, for example, the American Express card number, the card number starts with a 3 and has to have 47. So because every card has a specific number it starts with, as soon as the user starts typing their number, the program will know what kind of card it will be, and it will highlight which kind it's going to show. So if you look at the fourth function, it's is there a valid credit card number? So if the Visa card number, for example, is card type Visa, then it will just set the card type to Visa, and so on until each card type is met. Hi, I'm Shivam Patel, and this is our travel booking website. I'm here to demo and to show you how to navigate it. So as you can see, this is our login page, and you can enter your email and your password once you have already registered. So if you haven't registered, you can hit sign up button at the bottom right here. So whenever you click on it, it will take you to a site where you can add your first name, last name, email, and password. This is how you can register for an account to start booking a flight. So I will go ahead and enter my information. So just to show you, if you type something that isn't correct or email formatted, it will stop you from entering your data. So submit, and it does give you an alert that the email is badly formatted. So I can just have a quick fix and submit. So this will log me in, or this email account already used because I have created it already. So let's have another one. Test@gmail.com. So now that I'm logged in, this is our home page. So as you can see, it's a giant skyline as our main picture. We have a logout button right here. We have a home, a book now, and a contact on the nav bar. So I can hit book now if I'm looking for destinations. Right now we have 6 destinations, 1 to Cuba, Santorini, Bahamas, New Zealand, Vietnam, and Phuket. So I'm gonna go, I feel like going to Santorini, so I'm gonna click on that. And then here are the dates of the flights that I can go to. So I want to go in June. So now it will take you to your passenger info page. So this is where you can enter your passenger 1 and passenger 2. So if you have multiple passengers going on this flight, you can enter both of them in. So let's enter my information. Patel, 10/23/1996. Georgia 0253. @gmail.com. Alright, so now that I've entered passenger 1, I do not have to enter passenger 2 if I don't have one, so I can hit submit. Alright, so once you've entered your passenger information, it will take you to this payment page, and if you scroll down, it will show what was in your cart. So your destination is to Santorini and the price is $499. So now you can enter your card information. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my card information, and I can hit confirm. So once you've confirmed, it'll tell you that your payment went through, and it will give you a confirmation number.